Hello, this is how to hand feed a sun conure very quickly. As to the formula, it should neither be watery nor solid, so it should be just moving in the cup. Once you try to move it, just moving, just like this. You get a syringe, and preferably a syringe that's used for rail or for feeding elderly people, because the nozzle is just in the middle rather than sit to the right or the left, and it's better, and it's usually have a better grip and more handy. I usually feed him around 15 millimeters, so let's do it. Okay. Just like this. He's very hungry, so Mr. Gould is very hungry, so just like this. Once we have our syringe full, let me just wipe it out. Okay, let's start with feeding, the actual feeding. So we get to the bird like this, and we get from the left side of the bird. So this is the left side of the bird, the left side, not the right side. So if you are just standing like the bird, you would see this is his left side and this is his right side. Sorry for the confusion, Mr. Gold is moving. Let's start. You just get from his left side like this, start to squeeze. You just let him move and you start to slowly squeeze. It's normal that he moves his head up and down, because this is how they are fed in the wilderness from their fathers and mothers. So once more, please come here. Once more, it's like this. Slowly, slowly. It's okay. Some conures are aggressively moving, so you should be just like trying to cope up with this movement and to be a bit flexible. Once more. And you should have some kind of towel papers or wipes, not wipes, towel papers handy, just to wipe any excessive. Once more, okay, just easy, easy, easy. I'm sorry guys if it's not in focus, if I'm not in the center. It's really hard to film while he's moving. Okay. That's it guys, thank you.